In ancient China, the 90-year-old foolish old man found it terribly hard to get in and out of his home, blocked by two huge mountains, Taihang and Wangwu. He then sought to dig through them with hoes and baskets. The god was touched by his perseverance, and ordered the mountains separated. This is the famous Chinese idiom, "the foolish old man removes the mountains." Today, a similar story is unfolding in Hong Kong, but this time, the mountain moving is not done by gods or brute force, it's made possible by precise and advanced technological solutions. The project sets its sights on Nua Po Shan. It's not about moving the mountain itself, but relocating Hong Kong's largest secondary sewage treatment plant into the mountain. That is, the Sha Tin Sewage Treatment Plant. Covering 28 hectares, the plant was completed in 1982 and has been in service for more than 40 years. Every inch of land is precious in this city, and the plant's aging facilities are in urgent need of an upgrade. That's why the Drainage Services Department turned its attention to Nua Po Shan, just across the river from the plant.
The sewage plant in the caverns covers only 14 hectares, half the size of the current 28-hectare Sha Tin plant. But its treatment capacity remains unchanged. It's still a secondary sewage treatment plant. The biggest benefit is that we'll free up the land where the current Sha Tin plant stands for development that benefits people's livelihoods.
The total volume of the rock caverns in here is over 2 million cubic meters. The largest one is over 900 square meters across. Simply said, a C919 passenger plane can almost fit sideways inside, and 7 double-decker buses can stack up vertically in it. You can easily imagine how much commotion it would take to blast out such a huge space. But in reality, while blasting work is in full swing inside, you can barely feel a thing outside. How did they do that?
The main method we use to develop these caverns is drilling and blasting. Our top priority in blasting design is to minimize disturbance to nearby residents. Blasting vibration is closely linked to drilling work, and we use highly intelligent drilling equipment for the entire project. It's called the Jumbo Machine in Hong Kong. We upload our blasting design drawings into it, and its 3 robotic arms drill holes automatically with extremely high precision. We've fitted numerous sensors on the drilling arms. They detect the real-time reaction force from the rock as we drill. This force lets us judge the rock's properties and collect relevant data, which our engineers use to constantly optimize the design. We've also installed 2 blast doors outside the caverns, which absorb most of the impact from blasting vibrations. At the peak of construction, we can complete blasting for 7 cross-sections in one go. You'd never notice it if we didn't tell you blasting was about to start. The vibration is no more than a car passing by your side.
Then how do we keep the caverns from collapsing after blasting? Lee told us that thanks to the high-quality rock in Nua Po Shan, we're using shotcrete and rock bolt support technology instead of traditional reinforced concrete support. This cuts costs while still ensuring the structural strength we need.
This hoisting robot is independently developed by us. It can adjust its own balance automatically. The cavern space is very limited. There's no room to set up the boom of a traditional crane for lifting work. Our robot solves this problem. And it's also much safer. It has a precision of up to 1 millimeter, which lets us hoist and install prefabricated components with extreme accuracy.
The project has built a ventilation system to support the plant's daily operations and introduced all-electric excavators, all-electric stone transport trucks, and other equipment for the first time. The entire cavern construction area has full Wi-Fi coverage. Faced with the severe challenge of land scarcity, the Hong Kong government has planned 48 strategic cavern zones. The experience this project gains in blasting design, the use of prefabricated components, and other aspects will be invaluable for the development of future cavern projects in Hong Kong.